Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Batey and I'm a registered dietitian with the Food is Health Alliance at the University of Kentucky. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple, quick fall dinner that is a chicken and vegetable sheet pan. This meal will come together very easily, and because we've used frozen vegetables and chicken tenders, there's not even any cutting involved. So let's get cooking. So to get started with this recipe, I'm going to make a simple balsamic marinade. First, I've got some olive oil, and this provides a lot of healthy fats. Then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar just to balance out that tangy vinegar, tablespoon of brown mustard, just for a little bit of extra kick. And then I've got a teaspoon each of dried parsley and garlic powder. Those are gonna go right in. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Now, if you're looking to restrict sodium or anything, you can just skip this part. It's got plenty of flavor without it. All right, so let's get this marinade mixed up. You want it good and emulsified where all of the ingredients are mixed together. And what I'm gonna do is pour half of the marinade over the vegetables. And I'm gonna stir this up. And I'm gonna throw them everywhere too, just for fun. All right, now I've got these vegetables nice and mixed, and I'm gonna add the second half of that marinade right into my chicken tenders. And then I'm gonna use the best tools in the kitchen, clean hands. Now, before I do anything else, I'm gonna go wash my chicken hands. All right, so I've got my oven preheated to 400 degrees, and now all I have to do is spread everything out. I'm gonna put my vegetables on one side and my chicken on the other, but you could really do it however you want. If you want to spread these vegetables out and mix the chicken in the middle, it's all gonna cook the same. Get my chicken spread out evenly there. And you want to get it as flat on the pan as you can so that everything cooks evenly. Flatten that down. And now all I have to do is put it in the oven. All right, now I'm just gonna put these in my preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through to an internal temperature of about 165. You're gonna wanna stir these halfway so they cook evenly and don't stick. So I love sheet pan meals because they're so easy and flexible. You could really use any protein you like. Like this would also be good with pork chops or a lean beef. And you can switch out the vegetables however you like as well. This would also be really good with sweet potato, broccoli, really anything you can think of. But for this dish, the chicken provides a great lean protein source, and these colorful vegetables provide plenty of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which is super important for your health. So there you have it. This is a perfect fall meal.